now. If you want, I give you 1,100,000 dong. I discount for you 1.1.
For these?
Yes.
1.1?
Yes.
Nah,
What
too
you
much.
think?
Too much.
Oh my god, you want good no tip? What you want? You want good and cheap? No, my store don't have.
This is one of Vietnam's largest fake market. It's got a lot of fake products from made in China, brand names, Nike, anything from shirts, bags, watches, to you can get all the food, coffee, and they even have a little food market in there. I would like to make more videos about these like crazy markets in Asia because you can just get anything in these markets. But the problem is I don't need more things. And it is so fun haggling, bartering with these people working here because you never take the first price. You can always talk it down. But the problem is I don't need more things. But I'm gonna check it out. Maybe I'll buy a new hat. See if I see something I like, I might snag it. But then again, it's all fakes, so the quality's not great. All the watches you could ever think of.
Hey, can I help you?
Oh no, I'm just looking.
Can I have you?
No, I'm okay.
Same. I want same.
Yeah.
Same. This place is a maze. Literally a fucking maze. Coffees for everyone. Whip it up, whip it up. Crazy. All of this is the food market. It's like a little food market place. Street food style. They just have little like stools posted out. And I think they even have like a fish market down further. No, I'm okay. No, thank you.
Hello, sir. You want some backpack?
No, I'm okay. Every single person. Hello, for Japanese, something I can find you. Japanese backpack. There's so much shit. There's actually like a lot of cool shirts, and you can get some sweet little fanny packs. It's like when I have the camera off, some of these people are just so much more aggressive. Like she was just like grabbing my arm, like, ding, ding, coffee, father, what you want? I'm like, I don't have a home. I can't make this coffee. Like this? Never heard of weasel coffee before. Number 2, weasel coffee. This is number 1.
Number 1.
This
I don't
one
understand.
100% coffee. This one original and this one I roast with the butter. So you smell sweet but the taste not sweet. This one, if you drink this one a little bitter and a little sweet of the weasel coffee. You want to try some?
Why weasel?
This one the animal coffee. And another I have coconut coffee, very nice.
I can try it?
Yes, of course.
Can cook some right now? Make
Now,
it? Just a,
I have machine, I drain and I powder and I do only 1 minute.
only 1 minute?
You give free for you to try.
I'll try it.
You want to try this one, right?
The weasel. The little hat. It's like an espresso shot. Drip coffee.
100%.
That drip drip.
With milk
With milk, please.
and ice.
All the nuts. Weasel coffee.
Coconut coffee.
With chili. Beautiful. Thank you.
What do you think?
It's good.
I make this one for the style in Vietnam. So I put I don't put sugar.
But still kind of sweet. Because the milk
In,
mix.
now you see this one have.
That is good. That's exactly what I needed.
You want to buy some present, give your friend, give your family. If you buy
How much is it?
this one 100 gram here, and if you buy 250 gram, I can discount for you.
How much is 100 grams?
100 gram, I see. So you see the back this one 100 gram. And if you buy the bag 250 grams, I give free for you coffee powder and you put hot water. The coffee drip this one. And you can
Drip
drink
coffee.
black, can drink black or with milk, with sugar, with ice also can. Because you don't have the time, so I make the filters paper. But if you have the time, you make the.
I don't drink coffee.
So, you buy, give your friend, give your family.
Oh.
Yes.
What if I have no friends or no family?
No friend, no family?
Yeah, no.
I think you have, but you told me, you don't have.
Maybe.
And if you buy the bag 250 grams, I discount for you.
This one's the
And you
good
bring
one.
this one,
That's some good ass coffee.
I made for you try, and I give
Where do
you.
you get all the coffee?
Huh?
Where do you get all this?
This one, my farm and a little of the company. Yes,
I'll do it.
100 grams.
100 gram.
250 grams, don't want. 250 grams, I feel one filter. How do you think? You see, yeah.
I don't know. 250 seems like a lot. I don't drink coffee though.
You can,
Do you drink coffee every day?
yes, of course.
Of course.
Every day I drink.
I just start drinking coffee. I don't drink coffee in America.
But because the coffee in Vietnam strong, right? Very beautiful. You see this one, not exactly.
Not perfect.
Because this one by hand, do by hand.
What?
Vietnam.
Are these ones made in the shop?
Yes.
This one's by hand?
Because this one in Vietnam. If you buy this one from China, they have the machine. So exactly. But yes, I'm very happy. I'm staying here. I'm very happy. But retired. Many language, Chinese, English, and
Malaysian, Thai. Can you say hello? How many language? Hello? Ni hao.
Ni hao. Ni hao.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. 안녕하세요. I study Chinese. When I study English, and now I study Chinese. So
Mo pai ba bo.
yeah.
The only thing I know in Vietnamese is bờ má.
No, you don't. No, not good. Not good. You're not good man.
She's on her grind though. The second somebody walks up, she's just like, all right, I don't give a shit about you. I gotta sell this fucking coffee. But she did it. I thought I was just gonna get a little sample cup. She gave me a full fucking coffee. I was like, damn, 150,000, which is like $6, I think. $6 for a bunch of coffee. Can't say no. 300,000. That would have been $12, which I'm also so cheap. I don't even need that much fucking coffee. All right, so we're back at the market. Pardon me. Hello. So my goal right now is to try to get some fake shoes, because you have the cheap, the good fakes, and then the real ones. And I've always wanted to try them. I just know that they like break apart. Pardon me, sorry. They break apart super easily, like the super shitty ones, but maybe I can find some decent ones. I was looking at some different techniques to figure out the good and the bad, but we'll see. I also wanted to get some more coffee for some of the homies back home, so let's get to it. Just looking, I don't know. Check the sole, make sure the sole feels good. Stitching looks pretty good. I actually can think of an outfit that these would go great with. Oh, these are kind of fire. Oh, these feel like shit though. Sambas? Never had shoes added as like this. Surprised I was in that store and they did not like talk to me at all. But I might go back for those shoes. They look pretty decent, not gonna lie.
But you can apply first. That's on now 1,200 dong.
1,200,000?
Yes, plus.
Oh, no way.
Yes.
1, 2.
You think the price no good for you?
Too much. 1.2.
Yes.
That's too much for me. I do like 500.
No.
Yeah, I know. It's very
The
far.
500 cannot the quality here.
No, if it's 1, 2, cannot.
Why? Because I have the shoe at the right.
I do 500. That's
500.
it.
500. If I have the flash one, I have 500.
I don't like these shoes.
Yes. I'm a
See?
sports shoe.
I like these.
Nike.
I know, but
Yes.
this is different.
You
It's
know,
different.
you told me 500 dong. Why? You told me 500 dong. Oh my God, man.
Man, come on.
Come on now. If you want, I give you 1,100 dong. I discount for you 100 dong.
1.1
Yes, 1.1.
for these?
Yes.
1.1?
Yes.
Nah,
What
too
you
much.
think?
Too much.
Oh my God, you want good no tip and tip no good? What you want? You want good and tip? No, my store don't have.
I know. I'm so crazy.
If you buy some bar, how much maximum for some bar?
Maximum of 600.
The map drive maximum for you 800. The lap price no more. If you want,
100?
yes.
Yeah, no. All right. Thank you though. I'm gonna try to find a better deal. If I can get some shoes for $20, that's the goal. That are quality. But that's the thing, because 1 million is like 40 US dollars. It'd be hard to get quality shoes. These aren't as nice. Qualities. That is good. Ooh. Do you have the blue? It's a blue color? Just white and black?
Yes, and white and green.
Nah. I like the black. These ones are nice. Let's make a deal. It's 1, 2?
Yes.
That's too much. I do like 1 mil. Nah, it's still too much.
Give me maximum.
Maximum
Alright now. Fine up, right. Alright.
900? Nah, that's too much. I do 700. It's too much.
Maximum. Little bit. Please.
700. That's it.
Right, not you not much. 800. Thank you. Please.
7? We just got some new shoes.
I change for you.
Come on. Just like that. We got some new shoes. 700? It's like 30 bucks, I think. Let's do the math on that.
Hello.
All right, 700 for some Adidas is almost exactly 30 US dollars. I want lower, but I feel like in this touristy spot, I was in a pretty prime shoe spot. I don't know. I honestly have no idea. I was just going off of what videos I saw to check for like the super cheap fakes, the low quality versus mid quality. But I'm no shoe guy, so I literally have no idea if these shoes will be decent or not. But I will find out.
I'm not.
Oh. No, I'm okay. No, it's okay. Thank you.
What's the
Back? No, I'm okay. No, it's okay. Thank you. Damn, that does smell good.
This one organic coffee. This one original coffee. This one 100%. This one mixed already. Yes, and this one coffee from the animal. This one 100%.
Coffee from the animal.
The animal eat the coffee after poop out. So poop coffee. Yes. Young powder.
Is that weasel coffee's the same? Poop coffee?
Yes, but another animal. It's different.
They have different beans in the north?
Different, but the taste different.
Oh.
The taste different.
How much is 200 grams
200
of the
grams.
classic coffee?
200 grams.
I 100 gram, 120. You buy 200 gram or 250 gram?
200.
200. 240, okay, 220 for 200 gram.
220 for 200 gram?
Yes.
Which one's your favorite? Your favorite?
I like the normal. I cannot bring stronger.
This is the normal?
Yes, I like the normal.
Mm.
I cannot bring the stronger.
But this is strong?
This one's stronger because it's 100%. So after I give it for you coffee maker, I feed for you two. So for you
And what is this? So 400 for
two.
For two.
And two filter.
I'll do two powder, please.
So you buy for tea for your grandma and father?
Americans don't drink tea. I like tea, but I don't drink it a lot.
You buy some. And this one pandan too. This tea you make with ice, you drink very nice. Pandan tea. You little.
Needs sugar.
No, put a little sugar and lemon. Lemon and
yeah,
sugar.
yeah.
It look like iced tea in Vietnamese. Very nice one.
Smells like a flower.
Come from Vietnamese. Altogether, tea and coffee from Vietnamese.
I think I'll do 100 gram jasmine tea. How much?
80?
I can do 80.
Together, just coffee and tea.
Just the one
Something
tea.
else.
No, that's
So,
it.
I make for 200 gram and one more jasmine tea. Correct.
Jasmine tea.
And 80.
Come on. All right, we got some gifts. We got some coffee gifts. We got some tea gifts. That's how you bargain. I didn't even have to bargain with her for the teas and coffee. She just gave me good prices. So first thoughts walking around in these shoes, they don't feel too bad, but I can tell they kind of feel like a little plastic. Maybe it's because they're so new. I've also never had Adidas, I don't think. But I just wear out all my clothes super quick in general, but I'm gonna try to rock these and see how long they last me. They don't seem too bad, but I'm curious. We'll see how these fake shoes handle.